Hello and welcome. In today's video on Ghana's developmental journey, I'll be bringing you a transformative project known as the Kpone Community 26 Affordable Housing Project, which is progressing rapidly, entering into its phase 4. The project is led by the Tema Development Corporation, usually abbreviated as TDC. This project is one of those affordable housing projects that is actually affordable. And with its progress, it is redefining what actually affordable housing means for Ghanaians. Though it has cutting-edge design, sustainable innovations, and a bold vision, it ultimately caters to a wide range of Ghanaian pockets. The project aims to deliver 800 ultra-modern housing by April 2026. TDC is paving the way with this project, which is more inclusive for majority in Ghana. So join us today as we explore this actually remarkable project, the affordable price points and innovative strategies that this company is applying in Ghana. As always, before we get into it, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. This would go a long way to support this channel. The Kpone Affordable Housing Project in Community 26 of Tema stands as a beacon of Ghana's commitment to addressing its housing deficit. It is spearheaded by the renowned TDC, a trailblazer in real estate with 5 decades of expertise. The project has already transformed lives through its first 3 phases. Over 19 years, TDC has delivered more than 1,000 housing units, comprising 71 blocks and 1,072 apartments, complete with modern amenities like paved roads, reliable water systems, and secure gated communities, all at a price point that will leave you in awe. These efforts have created vibrant neighborhoods where the families that live in are thriving, supported by schools, clinics, and recreational spaces. TDC's brilliance lies in its ability to blend these social amenities with innovative development as well. It was launched in 2006 under the Kpone administration. The project overcame early challenges and gained momentum through strategic leadership. And by 2015, the Tema Development Corporation already assumed full financial responsibility, funding the initiative through internal generated revenues. It was one of those government-initiated companies that is still rising above its curve, a testament to a dedication to sustainable urban growth. The first 3 phases have not only provided homes, but also fostered a sense of community for people, empowering public sector workers, private citizens, and diaspora Ghanaians. Now, phase 4 is set to elevate this legacy, aiming to deliver 800 2-bedroom units by April 2026, bringing the enclave's total to an impressive 1,900 homes. That is just jaw-dropping. Phase 4 of the Kpone Affordable Housing Project is a bold leap towards closing Ghana's 1.8 million unit housing gap. This phase will deliver 800 ultra-modern 2-bedroom apartments across 100 blocks. This is designed specifically for middle-income earners and public sector workers, key drivers of Ghana's progress. Not even for high-end workers, low-income earners who are dedicated can actually acquire these premises as well. The project's leadership has emphasized that Phase 4 is not just about expanding the housing stock, it's also about setting a new standard for quality, affordability, and sustainability. And the key emphasis is on affordability, because most people deserve homes in the country. That is what this project is about. By April 2026, these homes will offer the residents modern, eco-friendly living spaces that rival global benchmarks. The standout feature of the project, that is the Phase 4, is the integration of green building technologies and sustainable energy solutions, which have been key recently. From energy-efficient designs to eco-conscious materials, TDC is also aligning the project with international best practices. The project is committed, reflecting a forward-thinking approach to urban development. The Kpone housing development is a model for future projects across Ghana, because delving into an actual affordable housing project is something noteworthy, and it will be cutting down the housing deficit for the grassroots. TDC has ensured that ample funding and materials ensure the contractors face no delays. This meticulous planning challenges the notion that the government-led projects are prone to setbacks, which is not the case for TDC, as they are showing their resolve to deliver on time and within scope. The project's inclusivity is equally inspiring, as it caters for a wide range of people, and by prioritizing the public sector workers and middle-income earners, TDC is empowering those who serve Ghana's community daily: teachers, healthcare professionals, and civil servants, who most of the time fall to the category of low-income earners. Flexible financing options, extending beyond traditional mortgages, make these home ownerships accessible, ensuring that These homes serve as a foundation for financial sustainability and social mobility. A recent tour of the Kpone Community 26 site revealed a bustling hub of construction activities with 36 Ghanaian contractors working tirelessly to meet the April 2026 deadline. Yes, you heard me, 36 Ghanaian contractors. The project is very serious. The site is also a vivid display of TDC's commitment to excellence, with buildings rising at various stages, some at the foundation level, others nearing completion. The leadership of TDC's proactive oversight ensures that the contractors receive payments within 2 weeks, fostering trust and maintaining momentum. This streamlined approach reflects TDC's determination to deliver a project that meets both quality and timely expectations, as well as delivering the much-anticipated affordability margin in the country for governmental workers who have the zeal to afford this. While most contractors are advancing swiftly, one exception was however noted during the tour. Despite starting work 6 months ago, remained at the first floor level, which prompted scrutiny from the project leaders. This observation alone underscores TDC's emphasis on accountability as they actively monitor progress to address delays promptly. The poor affordable housing project is progressing rapidly and is not even a joke. The high standards of this project is also non-negotiable, as the site itself is a vision of modernity with infrastructural designs to support a sustainable community, making it modern with asphalt roads, underground drainage, and standby water tanks already in place, ensuring that the residents will enjoy a well-equipped living environment. These amenities, combined with the project's focus, positions Kpone Community 26 as a forward-looking enclave that balances affordability with quality of life. The project also highlighted the economic ripple effects as local contractors and workers contribute to the job creation and skill development, further solidifying the project's role in Ghana's growth. TDC is totally changing access to home ownerships through creative financial models, flexible payments plans tailored to the needs of the public sector workers and others, which go beyond traditional mortgages. This approach reflects a deep understanding of Ghana's economic landscape, where many aspiring homeowners face financial constraints, and by offering customized solutions, TDC is making their dream of owning a modern home a reality for those who might otherwise be excluded. The Core Affordable Housing Project is more than just a construction endeavor. It's a movement to empower Ghana's people and reshape the nation's future. By targeting middle-income earners and public sector workers, TDC is investing in the individuals who drive Ghana's economy and society. The teachers are molding young minds, nurses saving lives, and the civil servants ensuring governance. The leadership's vision ensures that these homes reach the right people, fostering community-rooted in stability and opportunity. Phase 4's completion will bring the Kpone enclave nearly to 1,900 families, a significant step towards addressing Ghana's 1.8 million unit housing deficit. Beyond these numbers, the project is creating a ripple effect, boosting the local economy through job creation and supporting small businesses in the construction supply chain. The community engagement has also been a cornerstone, with TDC collaborating with the local leaders to ensure the project aligns with the residents' needs. Plans for additional amenities such as community centers and green spaces will further enhance the enclave's appeal, creating a holistic living experience. Looking ahead, the Kpone project will be a catalyst for nationwide housing reforms, as well as an example of truly affordable housing needs. By demonstrating that affordability, quality and sustainability can all coexist, the project is setting a precedent for other developers and policymakers. With the government support and community buy-in, Phase 4 is poised to inspire similar initiatives across Ghana, helping to close the housing gap and build a more equitable society. By April 2026 deadline, we are to see this project completed because of its pace. What are your thoughts on this truly affordable housing project and how it is already helping shape the future of Ghana? Because Phase 1 to Phase 3 is already completed, with middle to low income earners already catered for. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, hit the like button to support this channel and inform others on this amazing development. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't or you are new here to stay updated on all developments in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.